this example will show you how you can use breakout rooms to have kids learn about angles. So you can use the interactives that are found online to have kids supplement their learning about angles and using a protractor by creating breakout rooms and putting the interactives into each of those. Meanwhile, while you're in the main room, you could be doing direct instruction, and kids who are proficient on the topic could go into the breakout rooms for supplemental enrichment. Or if you're using this in a remediation session, you can direct all students to spend time in both breakout rooms and have a ticket out the door in the main room that they have to check out with you when they are done or feel comfortable with the topic. So in these particular breakout rooms, I have an interactive site here that helps students with those oh so fun vertical angles, obtuse angles, acute angles, linear angles, etc. And they can set the parameters for the drawing to practice with. So they can pick how many transverse lines they're going to have, up to 2. And they can specify that this angle will be an obtuse angle, and this angle will be well, it would have to be obtuse in this particular thing. And actually, it randomly chooses it, and you have to correctly identify what type of angles they are, and you can check your answers, and you can see I got 2 correct and 1 incorrect, and it allows you to go back and edit your answers. So we're looking at angle E, and we're looking at angle N in this particular example, and I'm going to say none of the above just for fun, and it keeps telling me that it is incorrect. And one more time. Just so you know, it is 1:33 in the morning when I'm making this recording. So I'm a little tired, and my math is not so great at this particular time. Alright, so I can get new angles, and I can get even more angles. I can set this up, and I can change this to 1, and I can practice again. This time it's asking about angle D and angle F, and I can go ahead and check my answers. Again, I get an incorrect answer, and we'll change that to same side, and we got that correct. And I can just keep practicing with this until I feel comfortable with it. When I'm done in this room, I can go to the next interactive, which is protractors, and my web tour did not load. There is a interactive protractor activity called What's My Angle? Let me get that in there. I just found it, and it has an intro that you can skip, but the intro is good. It gives a little bit of background about protractors and angles and how to use them before you actually go in and do them. And you can the student can pretend to be the teacher and can select what they want to do, and this says make an angle of 40 degrees and then click check. So here we have to try and guesstimate. That's about 40 degrees, and it says that is 12 degrees, too small. Ooh. My eyes are tired. There we go. That is 9 degrees too big. Oh, it's telling you how many degrees small and big. So I'm going to minus 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and hit check. That says it's 11 degrees too small. Oops. 12 degrees too big. It's not a 1-to-1 ratio. So this may not be that fun. All right, this one says to make an angle at 110 degrees. We know that it's going to be bigger than 90. It says it's 7 degrees too small, 5 degrees too small, 3 degrees too small, 1 degree too small. And if I hit this one more time, it's going to say it's 1 degree too big, right? 2 degrees too big. So we know we're in the right area. So they can go back to the teacher control and do a make and measure where it says make an angle with the protractor and measure it. So if you wanted to get an idea of what a 45-degree angle was, you could set that up and practice to get a good eyeball of what a 45-degree angle is. So this is just an example of a couple of the interactives that are available for the geometry class that you can put into a breakout room. Depending on your topic, the interactives would change. This could be used as, again, like I said, supplementary enrichment, or to just be an extra activity on a pre-test day or an extra help day. Thank you.